How to check your WhatsApp number. This is a step-by-step video, so you will have no trouble following. Basically, this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, and once inside, to go ahead and check your number, all you have to do is to navigate through the account settings. If you're using an Android or Apple device, you can just go ahead and navigate through the bottom of the categories right here, and you want to select settings. Once inside settings, you want to click on your name right here. And once inside, you can now go ahead and see the registered phone number on this specific WhatsApp account. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.